My name is Menna Elfyn. I'm a Welsh language poet and I live in Wales, a country that is next door to England. But although I've taught creative writing through the medium of English for many years at the university, I only write poetry in the Welsh language. I write other things, libretti, plays in English, but for poetry, it is my mother tongue, it's the language of the hearth, and it's also the language of my imagination. Welsh, you may know, was a language that was frowned upon for many years and thought to be worthless. So in writing in the Welsh language, I also feel it's a political act. It's also a social and a psychological act in that I want the language to live forever. And writing in a minority language has its challenges, but I'm fortunate in that I have very many translators in many languages and over 20 by now. And so I feel I'm part of world poetry. Although I'm Welsh, I also belong to a global poetry circuit and world. And it's important to me that three things are manifest in my work, which is the fact that I'm Welsh, I'm a woman, and I believe in poetry. Poetry needs no passports, and poetry is also a way of getting closer to humanity, about salvation, a different kind of saving myself, as well as trying to get closer to the human condition.